So how did I add Mongo to my infrastructure? So this is the template example that I'm using, which is also a front end and a back end and container apps with MongoDB. So this is a place where I started copying their infrastructure and tooling it for my specific example. In the main file, which is where you always start when you're messing with infrastructure, I added my Cosmos block, so this is custom to my application. Then I added a file called db in the app directory. This is still custom to my application where I'm passing things through. I get to set up what I want the collections to be, what I want the database name to be, and I pass in the KeyVault name. And then at that point, it's pretty much taking over. I'm using what I call shared universal bicep files that have already been provided for me. You can find them in this infrastructure in the core directory. In my project, they're in the shared directory. But once I've passed in the correct things, I don't have to worry about it anymore. Bicep takes over. It goes ahead and creates the Mongoose files for me. There are 3 files involved. There's this one, and this one. And if you look at this one, you can see this is where, I believe this is where the connection string gets added to KeyVault. And I did get to choose the secret name that I wanted to be used for that. So it's Azure Cosmos connection string. And then that's going to be added to the container app in terms of the endpoint and the secret name itself. So not the connection string, but all of the information I need to use KeyVault to go get that is already in the environment for the container